Hi, this is Mary and this is Leah. We're here at Northwest Sewing Center. We wanted to tell you about an event that we're going to have November 9th and 10th. It's called Let's Celebrate, and we're going to have embroidery machines, and we're going to have kits and refreshments and door prizes, and you're going to learn to do all kinds of sewing projects, embroidery projects. And here's Leah. She's going to tell you about it.
So we've got our cupcake gift holder here. And we've also got the centerpiece wrap that comes with a cute little bow. We've got the straw topper, which can also be used to top cupcakes. And my favorite one, we've got the gift goodie bag where you've got embroidery directly on top of vinyl. It's very fun. And then finally, we do have the banner here, which says the party starts here. All are super easy to make and user-friendly.
And the party will start here at Northwest Sewing Center November 9th and 10th. So please join us. It'll be a lot of fun. We'll have a lot of games and door prizes. Thank you.